Hello and welcome to my Tips to Financial Independence channel. I'm happy to have you here. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Today, I'll give you 10 reasons why you're not rich. Please stay tuned until the end so that you don't miss any of the reasons. Number one, you save instead of investing. Saving money will not make you rich. In fact, saving will make you lose money through inflation. The $1,000 you saved 2 years ago in your bank account has less purchasing power 2 years later. Investing helps your money grow to beat inflation and gives you a higher return on your investment. Number two, you think being rich is preserved for others. You probably grew up poor and believe that riches are preserved for others. The fact is, anyone can become rich. America is a capitalist country and rewards people who create value for others. Find a way to create value and you will become rich. Number three, you lack persistence. You will not get rich if you keep giving up on your goals. You sometimes give up too soon or when you face challenges. Learn to persist. Sometimes you're only one challenge away from success. Number four, you work hard but not smart. Working hard does not guarantee riches. There are a lot of very hardworking people in the world that cannot even afford a meal. Direct your effort towards areas that pay well. If you're working on a side hustle, find out an area where there's a need and see if you can fulfill the need. The money will follow. Number five, you're afraid of failure. It can be scary to fail. If you've read and heard about the story of Thomas Edison, he failed multiple times before he succeeded at inventing the light bulb. Failure is a teacher. Failure is part of your journey to success. A lot of wealthy people have failed along the way to becoming successful. Number six, you're surrounded by the wrong people. Are you surrounded by naysayers that are always discouraging you? Are you surrounded by people who fail themselves and want you to fail as well? Avoid hanging around negative people. Surround yourself with successful people or people who believe in you and want you to succeed. Do not hang around people with a poor mentality if you want to be rich. Number seven, you believe money is the root of all evil. You may have been conditioned to believe that money is evil. On the contrary, money is important in solving many issues that need money in the world. Money is only evil if you use it to do evil things. A lot of wealthy people donate millions of dollars each year towards great causes in the world. Number eight, you hate rich people. If you want to be rich but hate rich people, it will be difficult for you to get rich. You are less likely to become what you hate. Therefore, change your mindset towards rich people so that you can become one of them. Number nine, you're focused on saving instead of earning. You cannot save yourself into becoming rich. Increasing your earning potential will provide you with more money to invest and grow riches. Number 10, you believe becoming rich is based on luck. Believing the myth that people become rich out of luck will prevent you from working towards becoming rich. Most rich people work hard and make wise investments that make them rich. Thank you for watching and stay tuned until next time. Bye bye.